Hi, hey, Russ here. Great coffee. Welcome back to the shop. Okay, today we're going to talk about some bench dog. Expanding bench dogs or adjustable bench dogs. The problem you have is, depending on the time of year, as to whether you have this or whether I got to have my hammer to beat these things through. In the summer, the hammer's your best friend, but this time of year, you get this. Bench dogs just move. It depends on the humidity. And so I think I finally have figured out what to do about that. So I have this bench dog loose here on the end, just like the other one. And what I did was I took and I drilled 2 holes in this. Let me put the good side out. So I drilled 2 holes, 1/8 of an inch, about an inch and a half apart or so, and I cut it with a scroll saw from one hole to the other, and this is pretty much centered in the dowel. Then I turned it 90 degrees, and I drilled a 3/16 hole all the way through here. Then I took and put a 1/4 20 set screw, Allen driven, here and one on the other side, so that they come in together and they meet in the middle right at this saw line. Now I can take this and very easily take my Allen wrench and adjust this so that now it's super tight. If it's too tight, I can take it and quickly readjust it so that now it can actually go through. So it's easy to adjust, quick to adjust. I always keep this around because I use this on all my bench dogs. I have a set screw like that in all of them to hold the bench dog in place. But this will be nice is that now I can take a bench dog and actually adjust it anytime I want so that it fits a dog hole like I want it to at that moment. And it doesn't matter what the humidity is, I can adjust it to fit the hole. So this is actually kind of a nice way, an adjustable bench dog. And I think it's going to be very handy to have some of these in the shop. And I wanted to show this to you. So now you're thinking, why are you even thinking about bench dogs? Yesterday you were thinking about lollipops. Well, actually I was yesterday. You say lollipops? Yeah, watch my video yesterday and you'll know what I'm talking about. But that is what got me thinking about this. About a year ago or so, I did this particular bench dog. And what I did is I cut in it with my bandsaw, made a slot to make a tab, and then I put spacers in there and glued them in to push this up. And that made this tighter right here. So that even in the dead of winter, this bench dog actually holds and it'll stay put wherever I put it, which is what I wanted. And I got to thinking that I could take that idea and implement it to do this. And to fix my problem on my 3-eye monster here. You remember him from yesterday? The 3 eyes? That's its mouth. Whoa, be careful. Teeth, it'll bite you. But they are dentures. If you grab him by the mouth and pull, you can take his teeth out. Now he's harmless. So, anyway, all kidding aside, remember these things, how floppy they are in there? And I was talking about trying to figure out ways to make these more snug. Well, that's what I did here. So I took this one to show you what I did. Is I cut with the bandsaw from the end all the way near the top, and then halfway down I drilled a 3/16 hole in here halfway through. I didn't go put one on this side, I only put one on this side, and I screwed it down until it started spreading this apart. So now this thing actually has a taper to here. So now when I put this in any bench dog hole on this thing, it'll stay put right where I put it. And that also holds true on my bench dogs on my workbench. So now my lollipops don't flop around like they do. I haven't done this one yet. That's why this one's got a droopy eye. But I think that instead of lollipops, I probably should have called these eye sockets. Who knew? I didn't realize I was creating a monster here. But anyway, yeah, pretty skinny one at that. Guy in the back again. That was his comment. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. I wanted to show you how I took this idea of an expandable bench dog, which I'll be able to use around the shop. Now, when I make a few of these will be very handy to have so that they'll always fit snugly in the hole. And I'll be able to use this for a lot of the jigs too that I make to get them those to hold in place by using bench dogs. So this opens up a whole new thing. And I had to do this. When I started thinking this through, it was to solve this situation right here. So anyway, I don't want to ramble. I just wanted to make sure you knew that and let you know that, yeah, I'm still thinking about my little three-eye monster here. So if you have any comments about this, any ideas, any suggestions, or any way that you handle some of these issues with bench dogs, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. So if you like this video or you learned something here, hit that like button. That always helps. Most importantly, as the sign says, please come back again because I'm nowhere near done. Thanks. And we'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.